Hi everyone, this is Two Youths Transplanted, and do we have a fun and easy video for y'all today?
Today we will be making a Christmas bundt cake or figgy pudding fake bake. You can use this as an ornament or just a little decor item for your Christmas decorating. Your supply list includes brown, green, and red craft paint, white puffy paint, lightweight spackle, 2 red and white striped birthday candles, a styrofoam half ball that we got at Walmart for under $1, a paintbrush, and a glue stick, the kind that you use in a glue gun. Okay, now we thought of a really easy trick to get the impression of a bundt cake into the styrofoam. Using a hot glue stick in its cold form, because it's so flexible, you can put it across the entire half of the ball and you can press it in really, really firmly, and it makes the indentation of the design of a bundt cake. And you just do it in 3 different sections and you'll wind up with the perfect design.
Okay everyone, using the paintbrush handle, poke a hole in the top of the styrofoam.
It doesn't take much effort at all to get the paintbrush all the way through. You just keep wiggling around in there and against the sides of the styrofoam until you get a big enough hole that it resembles a bundt cake.
And now on to the fun part of decorating our version of the classic figgy pudding.
For the holly leaf and berry garnish, you're going to need to tint a small amount of spackle in the colors Christmas green and red. We used a piece of parchment paper that we formed into a cone and just cut a triangle out of the end to make our own leaf tip. Using another piece of parchment paper, we piped out 3 green holly leaves and 3 red berries and set it to the side to dry. Now we already know real figgy pudding does not have crushed peppermint, but it looks so dang cute. You're gonna love it. Watch this. Using 2 red and white striped birthday candles, just cut them into tiny pieces. It's that simple. And there's your faux crushed peppermint.
Now give the little cake a coating of brown paint. Next, drizzle on the white puffy paint.
Now go ahead and generously sprinkle on that faux peppermint topping. Now's a good time to add your holly leaves and your berries also. Won't this make a fun, festive addition to any of your sweet treats decor this year?
We hope you've had a holly jolly good time with us today.
This little video may have only taken 3 minutes for you to watch, but it took a lot longer for us to make because I kept calling it a butt cake instead of a bundt cake, and Mama kept saying figgy pudding instead of figgy pudding. So we had to keep editing ourselves. So we'll leave you with a reminder. In this world of chaos, confusion, and heartache, God is always with you. If you're going to pray, don't worry.
And if you're going to worry, don't pray.
Like, share, and subscribe.